Hello. Let's do a quick reminder today about lawn scarification, what we use and when we use it. For example, we have two options, a mechanical scarifier, either electric or petrol powered, or a manual scarifier. But here's the question. Okay, fine, I have blades. But I also have wires. Which one should I use? Well, let's start from the beginning. Specifically the blades. We use them on a lawn that is dense, that has thatch, that has moss. Basically, by using the blades, we scarify the lawn. Scarifying with blades means detaching in English. We use the wires on a lawn that is sparser, more delicate, even on a lawn that was seeded a few months ago or where sod was laid just a few months back. But under no circumstances should we use it on a very dense lawn, because in fact scarifying with wires is just a quick raking, a mechanized raking, a power rake. On the manual scarifier we have the same blades and wires, but they are divided into two parts. Specifically, here we have the blades and here we have the wires. Basically, these are very close together because the wires on the scarifier are also densely spaced. And on this side we have the blades, which are beveled, and these imitate scarifying with blades or dethatching. Also, since they are beveled, these help you if you want to overseed as well. So, therefore, things are relatively simple. You can use the blades almost any time, even on a lawn that is thinner if you want to overseed, but try as much as possible not to use the wires on a lawn that is very dense, and very importantly, not at a low setting. A low setting on the scarifier will break these wires. Now, I will also give you a demonstration with each tool individually so you can understand this process as well.